Got some new shoes, and also got some stuff for a roof rack. It's technically a ladder rack, which I'll explain here in a second. But you get two of these little long boys, two of these little short boys. One's already in there. And it basically is adjustable, but the issue is... Oh, and some bolts. But the issue is... they're going to be too long to go across. So there's going to have to be some cutting and then some figuring out to do it. You get 4 of these little thingies. These basically go right there. You can see what I'm talking about. I'm gonna have to do some figuring out because it's a little too big right there. Then you get 4 of these little thingies, and that clamps on there. Get some grade 8 hardware. And I got all that for about 45 bucks. So I think that's a pretty good deal. So the plan is cut these to length, do some more cutting, and then paint it black because the white looks a little dumb. Speaking of looking dumb, that looks dumb. So I've just got it up here with a bungee, little bungee thing, and I think they're sticking straight up. So I can figure out how long these need to be, and then probably gonna drill a hole about right here. That way it doesn't stick up out this much, and I'm just gonna cut it. Angle stick up, please. Okay. Oh, I just hit the mirror. Oh. So that's 51 and a half. So 51 and a half, and then these are a 1/8 inch thick. That's the metal. So what number did I just say? So this is how it's supposed to work. Yeah, you just extend it, and then you got a little thingy running right there to clamp it down. But I'm not going to be able to use that because these are too long. So 55 and a quarter, and I need to drop it down about 3 inches. I'm gonna start with 2.5 because I can always cut off more. So where you go? So it needs about an inch more if I was to guess, because I definitely ain't gonna measure this. I'm just gonna cut it. So I don't think I'm gonna drop it down any because it's borderline right there. Actually, I can drop it down like an inch, but I don't know if I'm going to. Thinking about just rounding it off right here somehow. I don't know. But yeah, the front is kind of done. That'll work. So that's the general idea. It'll keep it from doing that. I ain't got a nut to go on the bottom, so I'll probably forget about that and lose it going down the road. So I used whatever this triangle thing's called and did that. I'm gonna cut along it. I think that's gonna look half decent. Probably not, but I think it's gonna look half decent. So that looks half decent. This side doesn't match this side, but that's fine. But yeah, I'm gonna do that to the other side. It don't look as goofy as I thought it would at this height, so. If it wasn't for the raw metal where I cut the stuff, I'd probably leave it white, because honestly I don't think it looks all that bad. Paint matched kind of to the truck. Here's it from the back. It looks functional. It looks kind of goofy, but I kind of like the look of it. Still need to get some nuts for those, but I'll get those when I tear it apart. I found this little thing in the back of the truck. It was actually on the truck when I got it, but it wasn't bolted down. So, kind of just threw it in the back. It's like a step. So you can do that. So I'm going to throw that on there. So I got high temp paint because this dries matte. And matte black paint was like $7 and this was $6, so I saved $1. So, yeah. So here's the finished project for the roof rack. This turned out better than I thought it did, or would. It looks pretty beefy. I don't know how much it'd actually hold. It's went back up now, but I got it on sale for $45. Took a little bit of modifying, but you know, that's all right. So recap what I did. I had to shorten these, and I had to just cut this where it looked, I didn't have to, but it looked dumb, that's all. And that's really all I had to do. Might get a basket to throw up there, I'm not sure. This hopefully is going to run to the sun next month, so I may hold off on the roof baskets and throw a couple surfboards up there or something. I don't know. Maybe some water skis or something. But anyways, if you like watching me do stuff to this piece of junk, you can subscribe if you want. I checked yesterday, I think it's like 97% of people who watch these videos are unsubscribed. That's fine. I don't really care either way. I'm going to upload these videos, so yeah. See ya.